How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to make a mewing video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. So I'm going to show you guys a super easy exercise that you can do. It will help with your mewing. Not too difficult to do at all. All we're going to be doing is doing a turning our head and lifting exercise. It's a two-part exercise. It's very good for getting a better jawline. All you guys have to do is follow along at home, and this will help your guys' jawline, 110% guaranteed. So all we're going to do is we're going to turn our head and then we're going to lift. So that's all we're doing. We're doing a turning our head and then lifting. We'll do 10 repetitions. We'll then take a 20-second break. So let's get started. Let's do 20 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, super easy, super effective. It's not overly difficult to do. Anyone should be able to do this. All they have to do, again, is just follow that. Super simple. So we'll take a 20-second break. We will then redo it. So relax, 20-second break, do what you want, and then we'll come back and we'll do it again. Okay, so let's do it again, turning our head and then lifting. So boom, just like that, super easy. We'll take a 20-second break and then we will do it again. Okay, we'll do it one more time and that'll be the end of the video. Boom, just like that, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. Thank you.